Mrs. Robinson, you're trying to seduce me. Aren't you?
Well, no, I hadn't thought of it. I feel very flattered.
Mrs. Robinson, will you forgive me for what I just said?
It's nothing to be ashamed of.
Wait a minute.
On your first time.
Who said it was my first time? Wait a minute.
Inadequate. I mean, just because you happen to be inadequate in one way.
Inadequate?
Well, I guess I can.
Don't move.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of a street lamp, I turn my collar to the cold.